Hey, how is everyone? Just a quick unboxing of my new Badland ZXR 12,000 pound winch that'll be going on my Jeep JK. Let's bring the camera and see what we got. So if you follow my channel or follow me on my website, you will know I pretty much research things exhaustively to not only make a smart decision but a cost-effective decision. Now my Jeep JK will never see the amount of winch use to justify the cost of a warrant. So I was looking for a winch in the range of $300 to $350, and I researched many of them, including the most popular ones, Barricade, Rugged Ridge, and Smittybilt. But I kept coming back to Harbor Freight's Badland ZXR, and I do that because it has a 98% approval rating. People who have these love these. So that's what I went with. I actually went with the 12,000 pound winch instead of the 9,000 pound winch. So let's take a look. It comes with a set of owner's manual and some installation instructions. Has your hook, safety strap for the hook. It has a wired remote. Now I also bought, this actually comes is capable of a wireless remote, and I bought that option for $30, and it basically just replaces those plugs directly into where your wired controller would plug into, and you can use a little key fob, and I'll show you that when I do the install. But so this has a wired remote and a wireless remote. And let's see, we'll take out some of this cardboard. Now we have what looks like the controller box. That's the controller box, pretty large. Cables coming out of it. You got your cables that go to the winch and your power cable that goes to your positive of your battery. Your negative wire that goes from the controller box to the negative terminal on your battery. And this is the fair lead. This is extremely heavy. Super thick steel, nylon bushings on the rollers. They roll real easy. Looks like a package of hardware for mounting the winch, and it comes with a fuse box terminal that connects to the positive of your battery, and then the wire will connect to this, so your cables are fused. And then the winch, and this may take a little bit to get out because it is heavy. Okay, now you can see it out of the box, and you can see how stout it is. Now the reason again I went with the 12K was the spring tensioners here. The 9K does not have it, the 12K does. Otherwise they're supposedly exactly the same. The free spool handle moves real easy, real nice. And it's stout. The whole thing looks well constructed. It's a 3-stage planetary gear. It's got a 6 horsepower motor. The cable is 3/8 inch steel, and this should install no problem. I'm going to mount the control box on top. Then there's 4 nuts that mount it to your winch mounting plate. Should be super simple. I'm going to do a separate video on the winch install with the bumper install on my JK. Look for that in the coming weeks. Again though, everything's in the box. It was shipped here. The box looked like garbage, but everything inside actually was well protected. So again, Harbor Freight. I got it for $2.99 with a coupon. It's ordinarily $3.99, but don't buy anything from Harbor Freight unless you have a coupon. Never pay full price. But again, 98% approval rating by its purchasers. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you soon. Good Lord. Lot of uhs. Take 88.